In this video, you'll learn how to identify the chart element that is clicked and display the series points data in a tooltip. So let's get started.
I'll start with a new WinForms application. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to work with a small list of data. I right-click on the form and switch to Code View. In the form1.cs file, I add the following small class. In the form's load event, I create a list object. Then I manually populate it with some data. I switch back to Design View. From the toolbox, I drag and drop a chart control onto the form. The chart wizard is invoked automatically. I switch over to the series page and remove the two automatically generated series. I'll be creating one later from code. I click Finish to close the wizard. I select the empty chart control and set its dock property to fill. I return to Code View. Within the form's load event, I add the following code to bind the chart control to the sample list of data. Notice that I need to create a reference to the devexpress.XtraCharts namespace. I switch to Design View. From the toolbox, I'll drag and drop a tooltip controller onto the form. I select the chart control and create a handler for its mouse click event. This event is raised every time the control is clicked. First, I'll create a new CalcHitInfo object. I'll create a new series point object and initialize it to the series point property of the CalcHitInfo object. Then, I'll check to see if the point that the user has clicked on is not null. If so, then I create two new string variables, one for the argument data and one for the value data. Finally, the showHint method of the tooltip controller is called to display the tooltip. If the point was null, then I'll set the hide the tooltip. And that's it. I run the application to see the results. I click on each bar and the series point info is displayed in a tooltip.
For more information, please refer to the XtraCharts online documentation. Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you for choosing DevExpress.